Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to overlay your videos on CapCut PC, especially for PC, but because I think it's much easier using PC and then much more easier using CapCut PC on browser instead of using the native software of CapCut. So let's get it on. Here I have two videos. Wait, I will zoom it for you. Okay, I'm unable to zoom the interface, but I can do like this. And then I have two video like this. The first one contain the green screen, and then the second one is not the green screen available. So first I have to move the videos like this parallelly. So make sure your in front is on the upper timeline like this, and then I want to overlay this video, and then I want to remove this green screen by using this on the right, remove background, and then I will click this auto cutout. So I click this auto cutout. Just wait perhaps in a minute, so I will pause it for you. So the cutout is finished, so I already removed the green screen, and then I will enlarge the video, the person in this video, and then I will adjust the position, and then I try to play it out. See, I already overlay two videos into one videos. So the key is you are using the green screen videos, and then you use the remove background feature. Very easy remove background feature on CapCut. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate it. Or you can just click subscribe on the button below. Thank you. Bye bye.